I'm going to give you 5 reasons why high-intensity interval training might be the best choice for you, and 5 reasons why steady-state cardio might be the best choice for you. For fitness tips and effective workouts you can do at home, subscribe and click on the notification bell so you don't miss anything. I'm Clint Grimes. Let's get started. Here are 5 reasons why high-intensity interval training might be the best choice for you. Number 1, you have a busy schedule which limits your training time. HIIT workouts can be done in 30 minutes or less, making them extremely effective for producing results in a limited amount of time. The fast-paced HIIT workouts have been shown to burn tons of calories in a short amount of time, so you don't need to spend hours in the gym. This exercise is also suitable for everyone, even beginners. Number 2, you've been following the same cardio workout routine for a long time and have become stuck at a plateau. Adding HIIT workouts could jumpstart your program to keep your body from adapting so you can continue experiencing results. It's important to change up things every now and then, even if you love what you're doing, because sooner or later, monotony hits. Number 3, you want to train for a mud run or obstacle course. These events feature physical challenges requiring anaerobic strength. HIIT can help you prepare to meet the demands of overcoming an obstacle while also improving aerobic efficiency so you have the energy to finish the race. These type of workouts are helpful for your obstacle course training plan, but probably shouldn't take up your entire training week. Number 4, you are exercising for fat loss. High-intensity interval training can help you burn more calories in a shorter period of time, while also providing an afterburn effect to help you continue burning fat even after the workout is over. Some studies show this post-exercise fat burn can last up to 36 hours after a workout is completed. Number 5, because you like it. The best exercise in the world is the one you enjoy and will do on a regular basis. If HIIT works for you, go for it and have fun, but make sure you allow time for appropriate recovery because that's where the real results happen. Taking the time to work on the form of basic exercises can help you stay safe and ultimately improve your performance in high-intensity interval training. If you're looking for a program you can do at home to help you lose fat, complete with meal plans, supplements, on-demand exercise program, expert coaching, and live support, check out the Get Healthy at Home program, link in the description. All right, now I'm going to give you 5 reasons why steady-state cardio might be the best choice for you. Number 1, you experience a period of high stress or find yourself wallowing in a grumpy mood. Steady-state workouts require lower levels of physiological stress, which could help you clear your mind and change your mood. Steady-state cardio makes your heart more efficient, getting oxygen to your muscles more quickly. Steady-state cardio also lowers blood pressure, reduces stress and anxiety. Number 2, you want to enter a race like a 10K, half marathon, or a marathon. According to the principle of specificity, the best way to train for an activity is to do the activity. If you want to complete an endurance race, you will need to plan on making time for long-distance, steady-state training. Steady-state cardio will give you the lung capacity to finish the race and will train your body to deal with the pounding. Number 3, you are visiting a city you have never been to before or have recently moved. A long, steady-state run, bike ride, or walk can be a great way to get out and explore an area you have recently moved to or are visiting for the first time. You'll cover more ground on a run than when walking. Depending on your pace, you'll travel between 5 to 6 miles in an hour. Number 4, You are exercising for the health benefits. Regular low to moderate intensity steady state exercise can provide a number of health benefits, including helping to reduce the risk of developing a chronic condition like type 2 diabetes, high blood pressure, or high cholesterol. Steady state cardio makes your heart stronger and better equipped for long bouts of physical activity. Number 5, because you like it. Some people simply enjoy going out for long runs or training for long-distance endurance events. There's no need to change your workout habits as long as they provide you with the benefits you are looking for. The less you fear, or better yet, look forward to, your daily sweat session, the more likely you are to make it a routine. Regardless of whether you choose steady-state cardio or high-intensity interval training, to keep seeing results, it's important to change workouts on a regular basis to keep from becoming complacent, which could result in getting stuck on a plateau and not achieving any results from the exercise program. The best workout program is the one that is done on a regular basis. So, get out there, mix it up, get fit, and have fun. Like this video if you like it, and click on this video to find out the 10 hormones that cause women to gain weight. That's it. That's all. See you next time.